Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K70. In this video I'll show you how to manage lighting via keyboard shortcuts. Firstly, we are going to use FN button and buttons from 1 to 0. Thanks to them we can change lighting effects. Also, if you use this button and this button, you can reset to onboard stored effect. With this button you can reduce speed effect, and thanks to this button you can increase the speed effect. Also, in the full keyboard scale we can change rotation to left and right, but in this smaller scale of the keyboard this button are assigned to profiles. In the end, you can use this button to change brightness level of your keyboard, and that's basically it.